Is Meesho worth the hype? Well, let's see. Meesho haul, Meesho shopping, Meesho guide. I've been watching these videos from quite a while now, and through videos and advertisement, Meesho has gained enough popularity and we have got an idea of what exactly Meesho is. So it is in all the hype everywhere and on every platform. So in this video, I wanted to explore the app and wanted to share my experience of shopping there just as a customer. And on a very deeper note, I just wanted to put out the words loud and clear that whether the products are actually good or this overall thing is hyped like extremely. Also, this video is not at all sponsored. They are not paying me to make this video. I'm just making these words out clear just as a customer कि मेरा experience कैसा रहा Meesho पे shopping करने का. So we are going to talk about Meesho in this video. Also, if you are new to this channel, hi, I'm Alisha. I make fashion, fitness and lifestyle video and hope you'll have a nice time on my channel. Now let's get started. Let's start by me sharing my first shopping experience with Meesho. So a couple of days back, I saw my mom scrolling through the Meesho pages and watching a lot of kurta sets. And I don't know how this happened. अभी सभी की मम्मियों के घर पे सभी के फ़ोन में मीशो ऐप है. ये कैसे हुआ? I don't know, but I know you all will relate to this. And she was just taking screenshots of the kurta sets that she loved, that she liked. So I was like, what she is checking out, and I instantly checked out her screenshots and I saw a lot of beautiful kurtas out there. So this happens that every month I try my best to give something to my mom, be it small, chotu motu sa, kuch bhi gift. I just try to give her to make her feel special. So when I saw those kurti sets, I kind of checked it a lot, and then I find out one kurti set which was amazing. It was so pretty, and it was from this brand called Alvira Fashion. Alvira Fashion, South Delhi mein Alvira Fashion. It was like that. So I really loved that kurti. It was a black kurti with red dupatta. And I instantly ordered that on 4th of July. I just wanted to give her a surprise, and the dispatch date was like 2-3 दिन में, and the delivery date, expected delivery date was around 10ish. So I was like, okay, but out of the blue, I got it on 8 July, just 3 working days. It took me 3 days to receive the parcel, which was just crazy. So मेरे according, I would give it a 10 on 10 considering the delivery part, क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा कोई मैंने नहीं देखा था पहले. But there were some things, I should say that there were 2-3 things which I didn't like in the ordering process, and I'll talk about those pointers in the end of the video. But the question remains the same: is Meesho worth the hype? And by the end of this video, you'll get a clear answer to this. On 8th of July, when I received the product, I unboxed it, and it was a 3-piece set. Black kurta, red dupatta and red straight pant like it was supposed to be, and the fabric was absolutely the way it was written in the description, 100% cotton, really soft and smooth. And to be very honest, I was not expecting something like that, क्योंकि I was really skeptical while ordering, especially about the fabric and measurements. And this happens like every time we shop from a new website, it happens. But this time I was totally surprised, or even more than that, because the product was extremely fine, and it was for 755 rupees and 100 rupees off on the first purchase. So I got it for 655 rupees. Damn, 655 rupees. So it's just crazy. For the price 655, I wasn't expecting very much, but what they sent was just above all of that. The kurti was extremely pretty and the prints were gorgeous. I mean, they were not coming out either. Other than that, the dupatta was the best part about the kurti set. Really long, like length बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है दुपट्टे की, and prints are also really good, and it has gota patti work going on all over the edges. So I really loved, and we can style that dupatta in many other ways with many other kurtis. So I really love the fact about it, and इसका length इतना ज़्यादा है that we can make a kaftan out of it. So dupatta I really loved, and kurti has really pretty neckline. Like the area around the neck was really beautifully made and printed, and also the entire kurti and straight pant has bell printed all over it, which is like really in trend. Bell prints, earring prints, flamingo prints, like these prints are really in trend. So my mom really loved it, so automatically I loved it, and this overall surprise turned out good. Now I'm all set to give my verdict or my answer to, is Meesho actually worth the hype? Absolutely yes, because it was amazing experience shopping on Meesho. Delivery was on time, like full marks to delivery, क्योंकि 3 working days में मिल गए. No other website give it this fast. Other than that, affordability wise 100 marks, but like full marks. And again, quality wise it's amazing. Like above our expectation. And variety भी अगर देखें तो बहुत सारा है. You can get a lot of varieties when it comes to Indian and Indo-Western section. So if you are someone who prefers budget shopping, then Meesho is going to be your one-step solution. But like any other website, you should stick to reviews and ratings before actually spending, because a lot of small companies out there are working under Meesho, and we cannot directly trust on someone. So better stick to reviews and ratings, read them, try to see pictures and videos. Other than that, you can also refer to hauls so that you can get a better idea about the companies that are more preferred and the products as well. So other than that, ours haul is also coming. Meesho haul is coming like really soon. After having this really beautiful experience of shopping, I got a lot of products, so I'm going to make a haul out of it so that my aliens can get a better picture of that. Now everything can't be absolutely perfect. We have the room for improvement every time. So while ordering these things, I find that there are some improvement which need to be made in the Meesho app to make it more worthy of shopping. Number one, the thing that I really didn't like was the problematic interface. The interface wasn't very much credible, so I felt that it was a little off. There wasn't a proper characterization of the product, and sometimes filter option didn't work, तो ये थोड़ा सा एक issue था. Second thing, the western outfits के या western fashion के products उतना ज़्यादा variety में नहीं है. So if you are someone who kind of stocks a lot before ordering, तो आपके लिए ये मुश्किल होगी. Other than that, Meesho does not provide us with the wish listing option and to make our cart ready for future purposes. Every time you love something, you have to take a screenshot of it. You can't really put it into your bag and to save it for future purpose. तो ये एक थोड़ा सा problem वाला चीज़ है. And the last thing was the product code. At times the product codes wasn't working, so I think Meesho should facilitate with us with the product links, क्योंकि वो directly हम लोगों को वहाँ तक पहुँचाता है, and it's kind of way more convenient for us to shop. That's pretty much about the video, and I really hope you all enjoyed and found this helpful. Give it a thumbs up and please comment down more video ideas and suggestions. I just love reading them all. Follow me on Instagram @Alisha180_ to watch a lot of fashion inspirations, outfit ideas and a lot of it, and to connect with me also. Please subscribe to this channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da!